naman yun, ready for ano na siya.
Oo.
For disposal yung iba. Pero,
hide! We need to hide. It's right here.
Yeah,
But I think I just...
you have a heart after all.
Morning! Paalis na ako mga kachika. Ito pala yung sapatos na nabili namin kahapon. Magaan lang siya. Super light. Tsaka good for ano ba. May support na din. Ganito. Good for walking or running. And finally, ano na tayo, may disenteng sapatos na tayo pang trabaho ba. Ako okay lang naman sa akin kahit mamurahin sapatos. Kaso yung paa ko nga, sumurinder. Ito na tayo mga kachika. Tambay muna tayo ng mga, ang tawag dyan, 15 minutes. Hindi ba din naman super lamig mga kachika. Yung weather ngayon ba. Okay siya. Pero I think ito talaga, yung ganito namin. Ano to, yung tawag dyan? Na ano talaga to siya mga kachika. Sobrang warm. Kaya kahit ganito lang yung suot ko, tapos uniform ko sa ilalim, hindi ko na din kailangan magsuot ng yung may long sleeve. Tapos ganito. Ay sobrang warm niya na. Ganon. Diba? Gustong-gusto ko to suotin kasi pang trabaho din naman talaga to pa. Perfect din talaga to ngayon na taglamig na. Kasi may dumadaan. Kaya mas gusto ko talaga magtambay na lang dito mga kachika. Kasi maliwanag na siya. Hindi na ako natatakot magtambay kasi may mga tao na din na dumadaan, ganon.
yun, ready for ano na siya.
Oo.
For disposal yung iba. Pero,
someone come from the fireworks. I saw the sign.
You want to go now? You have to come from here. That's what they say. Huh?
Lisa, look at Alisa's face. Oh, may ano na? Eyeliner.
Go there.
Mama, what's my face?
Go there now.
Mama, what's my
You want socks
face?
anywhere, don't you?
Like that.
You want socks anywhere, right?
Not shopping. Pupunta kami sa DFS. Tingnan nyo yung tali-tali ni Alisa mga kachika. Alina daw yung nagtali dyan. You did that din, oh. Very good, Lina. You like Alina? Alina, tie your hair?
Yeah. Mama, hold your hand. She didn't even take it off.
Yeah, it's nice. Lana, watch where you're walking. Tingnan mo, Alina, oh. Sarap buhay, Alina.
Look here. Look at here.
Mm-hmm.
Look here. I found something.
That's nice.
Mama, look.
Wow.
Look at what's
Yeah. I'm not sure what that.
that? I don't know. It doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Marami din silang mga carpet dito. Nakita ako doon, 179. Pero maganda na siya. Maganda ko yung, gusto ko yung kulay. Is this the one you're talking about, Daddy?
No.
Huh? Like this?
I'm not coming.
This one is nice. 809. Ang laki-laki naman din. Very old. It's not very old.
I found this. I found it below.
Ano kaya nakain ni Alisa na nilagyan man yung mata niya ng
Where's your coat, Elise?
colored? I got it.
Daddy,
Colored.
I found this machine.
What did you do with that?
Colored pencil ba yan or marker? Is it marker she put in her eyes, babe?
Marco, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh. She got marker here. Look, green.
Let me see.
It's a green, it's blue.
Blue, green.
Where?
Turquoise.
Like that color. Like that wall.
Where's she done? Where's she put it?
Here.
Like
Her
I-
eyelid.
Let me see. Let me see.
Like she pretend like it's eyeshadow.
Oh, I see it now.
Why you didn't say that?
I didn't see it before.
There you go.
Let me
Hmm.
see. Close your eyes.
Don't close it tight.
Ay, 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 Elisa.
You don't do that again. Kay it's dangerous that, Lisa.
Good.
Alisa, you're gonna poke your eye. Okay?
It's not
Don't
that,
do
it's
it
chemicals.
again.
It's chemicals.
Oh, or else you're gonna put that in your eyes.
Well, what did she use?
Marker.
A marker.
Oh, washable marker. Or if it's not, if it won't come off, Lisa, then you have that for a lifetime.
No, she don't understand that.
She doesn't understand. When I was a baby, when I go upstairs in the escalator, and when I sit in the shop, in the couch, in there, when I'm watching TV in that TV machine, when I just be a baby, when I was a baby, when I just think when I was a baby, when I'm watching TV in the old house.
Oh yeah, that one.
Oh, hide! We need to hide.
Now, do you want to we just get something from food hall?
Oh, you haven't got it yet?
No, I did not choose the color.
Oh, it's very nice too.
It's wool.
Whoa, how much was this? Ooh, 40? Come on, you shouldn't have spent that much. Buy it on sale. That's too much. Are you worried about your cream?
Yeah. Because I bought you that. Because you bought us yesterday. I told to Alina, Daddy bought us yesterday nice shoes. So we're going to buy something for Daddy.
It's
Very
right
nice.
here.
You have heart.
I think I just.
You have a heart after all.
I just
Huh? You have a heart, huh? It's well hidden, but you have a heart.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's don't talk about heart. Let's go.
Wow.
Always like expensive dress. Expensive shoes, expensive dress.
Lisa likes it.
Alina got a cup and a teddy bear.
Oh, that's nice.
Mama.
Alisa naman din. Nagbabacuum. Gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-vacuum mga kachika. Kaya na yan nagbabacuum dito. Pag nakita niya mag-vacuum ako dito sa sa baba. Tinatanggal o. Ano niya na yan.
Mama, look.
Check it. You still got something in you. You got food. Here. There's more behind you. What is that now, please? You nearly finished? I can't find it here, Willa.
Oh, okay.
Dry, no? Alisa, katapos magtrabaho. Treat niya yung self niya ng ice cream. Kuha lang sa fridge. Put your leg down. How was it? Finished?
Yes.
Dress. Pinabili na naman yung kaya na yung dress na yan. 26 pounds. Padaman yan. Ako, Alisa. Sobrang ano sa dress. Ay, please. No, don't touch my hair. Wipe it off your hands first. There, take this one.
I'm gonna have to touch your hair because I'm brushing it. My hair. I'm gonna hairbrush. Where's it? I don't know. I'll wait to brush it myself. I found it. I found it.
So, can you please put it in the bin and then you wipe your face. Tissue, because you got ice cream in your mouth.
I'm almost done now. Oh, I want to do hairstyle like that. Nice.
Wipe your
I'm
face
all
with...
done, Alisa. I'm all done.
No, not yet. Not all of it. Wipe it off properly. There's more ice cream, look. Papaliguan ko din yung mamaya. Hindi ko naman yung talaga yan sila pinapaliguan araw-araw. Kasi kagabi nag-ano yan sila swimming lesson eh. Baka anuhan ko lang. Ihabat ko lang yan sila. Kasi yung dito nga ni Alisa, may marker pa. Nandyan pa yung marker.
Yeah, be careful.
Thank you.
Yeah, be careful.
Come here, Dobby, your face, Dobby. Where is the ice cream? Don't wipe anywhere, please.
Okay, ready.
Where's the tissue now? Dry. Look straight if it's dry. But if it's... Oh, if it's dry, if it's wet. But if it's dry, I'm like a monster.
Yeah.
Mama look like a monster, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm trying to frame it, but I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, that's sharp, that brush.
I know. Concrete. Hey, that's nice.
Hindi ko na lang yung pamasahe ko kasi ano yung hindi na ako magtanggal-tanggal ng wallet ko ba. Okay. Doon ako nakasakay sa isang bus na yun mga kachika. Kaso kaya nabagsakay ko talaga, sabi na ng driver na mag-change daw sila ng bus. Tapos yung isang driver pupunta doon sa bus na yun. Tapos dito ako lipat. Dito pala ako sa may bus mag-Spencer na banda. So ayan. Pag masakay ako ng bus, gustong gusto ko dito na banda magsakay talaga. Yan ba? Pero medyo mataas tingnan. Pero yung driver na yung sinakyan ko galing doon sa bahay, papunta dito, siya din yung magdadrive sa bus na ito. So mag-change nga sila ng bus. Pero same pa din ang driver. Dito na ulit tayo mga kachika. Ano pa lang? 6:34 pa lang. Meron pa akong mga 20 minutes dito ba? maybe 15, ganun. Ayoko muna pumunta doon sa work. Medyo malamig pa naman yan kasi tingnan nyo, oh, malakas yung hangin plus mulan-ulan. Oh, hindi naman umulan pero it's been raining ba kahapon, kagabi. At thank God kasi ngayon hindi na siya umulan. Dito naman akong tambay-tambay kaso nga lang kay malamig mga kachika. Ay, basa din yung upuan. Ayan. Pumasok na ako mga kachika kay nilalamig talaga ako doon sa labas. As in, wala din akong maupuan. Kaya pumunta na lang ako dito. Ano pa lang, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. 6:45 pa lang pala. Dito tayo, nag-expect ako na sobrang dami yung tao dito kasi hindi naman umulan. So malakas yung hangin mga kachika. Dito yung mga bata at saka si Mister. Hindi pa ako nakikita eh. Doon sila sa may swing. Akala ko hindi pa ako nakita na pala ako eh. Alisa like to run.
Run around here.
Oh. Yan pala yung ano, binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Looks good, fits good too. Okay, let's go na. It's late. We're gonna do pumpkin carving.
Oh, you have to do the pumpkins, yeah.
We're gonna do the pumpkin.
We're gonna do the pumpkin.
I haven't had lunch yet either.
No? Come on, let's go.
I missed the carving and then
We're gonna go to the pumpkin.